Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to customize the themes on your account on Wattpad easy and quickly. So first of all, enter this application and then click on your profile icon and then go to the settings. So as you see here, you will find the subscription section. So here you find the premium subscription and the customized theme, so click on it. So as you see here, we have this color, so you can change it if you want, and here you have to unlock this the themes. To if you wanna select a theme, you have to unlock it. So that's how to customize a theme easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.